What's up guys, it's your best friend Saber. Welcome back to my channel. Today I'm coming at you with this very classic heartbreaker glam look, and I have a new background. Well, this is actually a sarong that my mom passed down to me, and I taped it up to the wall and I made it a background. So I hope you guys like this. If you do like this setup better, let me know in the comments down below. I did this look completely using this BH Cosmetics Studio Pro Neutrals palette. I know I've been away for a while. This is gonna be my first video that I'm posting in a few weeks, but I hope to be going back to my normal filming schedule now, and I'll be uploading videos once or twice a week as usual, but definitely every week now. For the past 3 weeks, I've been having some personal issues, and then I got a cold, so I couldn't film because I lost my voice, and my voice is not so all the way back yet, but we're getting there. I've missed you guys, and I know some of you have said that you missed me, aka only like 2 people. Thanks! I'm so glad to have supporters. Also, my subscriber count just increased. I hit 70 subscribers recently, and I'm so close to 100, which is my goal. I wanted to get to 100 by this summer. So if you guys can, please share my channel with your friends. Oh, before we get into this video, don't forget to hit that subscribe button to become a part of the Saber Squad. Also like this video, but as always, I remind you at the end, if you want to see what I did to get this look, go ahead and keep on watching. Okay, so did you guys miss me? I missed you guys. I've been having a rough week, actually a rough month, because I haven't posted since Valentine's Day, which means that it's been exactly a month since I last filmed. I'm going with my Lancome Teint Idole today. I haven't been mixing it with the Maybelline Matte and Poreless, and it's been matching fine. By the way, I primed off camera. I used one of the e.l.f. primers that I've been really into lately. I'm using a couple new products in this video, so I'm kind of really excited about that. I've been using Bye Bye Under Eye to conceal my dark circles and my darkness around my mouth area. And then I've been doing this eye first lately, because this is my struggle eye. I don't bring actually any concealer up to my bottom lash line anymore, because I get really bad creasing under there, like just right here, this area right here. That's where my creasing is super bad. So much has been going on with me. First, as I talked about in my previous video, my grandpa had surgery. He's home now from the hospital. There were some kind of complications, and we were at the hospital 2 weeks with him. So I was out for 2 weeks because of that. But the day that we brought him home, I got a cold. And let me tell you guys that I rarely get sick. I get sick like twice a year, if that. So I was out for another week with a cold. My throat was hurting. I couldn't talk. I lost my voice almost completely a couple days ago. I mean, I'm back, but my voice is not completely there yet. I take my regular concealer over the Bye Bye Under Eye also. My coffee is cold, of course. It took me so long to get this background set up. Oh my god, I cannot cover this little scar right here. Since this is my struggle eye, I leave this side to dry a little bit longer. I'm actually gonna do my brows now while I'm letting my concealer dry. I feel so out of the groove of filming. I'm gonna go ahead and just outline with my pomade. Sorry, spoiler, this is not a first impressions. I tried doing my brows with just this new product when it came in because I was so excited. And I was like, oh, this is hard. Anyway, I guess I'm so used to doing my brows with pomade. I tried to do my brows with a pencil, and I was like, nope. Okay, now that I have that dip brow laid down, just the general shape that I tend to go in. Taking this product, yay! This is the ColourPop Brow Boss in the shade Dark Brown. And it has a spoolie on the end, and then it has the twistable, pencil on the other side. I'm gonna go ahead and brush through with the spoolie first. I should have brushed my brows before I did this, but oh well, we're already here. And now I'm gonna go ahead and take that pencil. Okay, well, I like this way better than I did when I tried it. Houston, we have a problem. My brows are uneven. It's not like I'm surprised or anything, but I'm just irritated. I'm glad I gave that brow pencil a second chance. Now we're setting the under eyes. I'm not setting on top yet, though. Oh, you guys are not used to seeing this. Sorry. I have been into setting with the brush instead of baking with my beauty sponge nowadays. In other news, I'm getting my brows done tomorrow. I haven't had my brows done by another person in a while. I'm one of those that gets really teary-eyed when I get my brows done. You know what really makes me cry? When I get my mustache waxed. Brows are the hardest part of makeup for me. What is going on with these brows? I think they're close enough. I'm super skeptical about not setting your eyelids. My lid creases in like 2 seconds. So I don't know how people are doing that and then having their eyeshadow look better. Then again, I haven't tried it yet, so if I do try it, I'm definitely not going to try it on camera. Or maybe I should. Would you guys like that in the video? Let me know in the comments. Hold on, honey. I think I got a little bit of that darkness back in my under eyes, so I'm gonna take that same shadow that I used to set my eyelids. And the good thing about using a shadow to do this is that shadows are a little bit more forgiving. So you guys remember how I said this BH Ultimate Neutrals palette is gonna become my new best friend? Here we are! I'm gonna start off with this second lightest shade. I'm tapping off the excess and I'm gonna take it into almost like a kind of winged out shape toward the end of my brow because I'm not doing winged liner today. On this same brush, I'm gonna go into that same color and I'm taking it under the lash line and bringing it up. This is a really nice peachy shade. And notice that I'm bringing it here into the brow bone as well. This kind of like nose contour area. I find that makes your nose look more snatched. In with that next color, which is a little bit less orange. And I'm gonna do the same thing, just a little bit lower. And I start off right in the crease and I almost kind of tilt my head back so that I can see my eye shape more. And we're gonna take that same shade, pinch the brush a little bit. Go ahead and go under the eye the same way, but we're not gonna go all the way in like we did with the other color. We're gonna stop about 3/4 of the way in. And I'm going ahead and just lifting that shape up a little bit more. I'm gonna skip this center color and go straight to this one. I'm gonna start this time right out here. I kind of go in the shape that I want it to go, and I'm gonna keep bringing it forward. We're gonna skip that color on the bottom lash line. We're just gonna leave it up top. And I'm going in with this next shade out here. Ooh, can you see? Girl. We're gonna go ahead and pack that in the same direction out here. But these darker colors are not gonna go all the way in. So we're gonna go ahead and pack it out here. Bring it in about halfway. So I'm gonna make sure that I have all that color packed on. And I'm bringing it kind of farther in onto the eye. And then I'm going in with that blending brush from the second shade, and I'm just softening out that edge here. I wanna get that fallout as quickly as possible because you can stain your eye if you don't. Or you can stain your under eye, and we just brightened that up. So this smudge brush in that same shade, start in the center, right under your pupil, and bring it out. And now of course we're gonna go in sort of a wing shape so we can complete that flake up out here so that it looks blended. Lastly, I'm taking this really small, actually I lied to you, I'm not doing that yet. I'm gonna go ahead and take my concealer and I'm gonna do a half cut crease. Okay, I think I'm gonna take this champagne shade and I'm gonna go ahead and pop that right on the first third of the eye. And on that same brush, I'm taking that next shade, which is the gold shade here, pop that right in the center. Blend these two colors into themselves, kind of blend the gold out into this. Now I'm gonna go in with this tapered brush, and I'm gonna go in with this last beautiful rich chocolatey shade here. Okay, we had a slight difficulty. So I'm doing that same thing with the chocolate shade, and I'm adding that right on the outer corner for the little last bit of definition. And I'm only putting this color out here, and it's not gonna go anywhere near the crease. And again, taking a blending brush and just softening out that edge out here. I'm taking this tiny flat brush and that same chocolate color about 2/3 of the way out. I'm adding that under the bottom lash line. And by just adding your color on the outside, it's gonna make your eye a lot more lifted. Take that color, pack it onto the lash line. Usually I would do a wing, but your girl is not feeling a wing today. Or maybe I should do a wing. No, it's gonna take longer, I'd rather not. Let me apply my lashes. I don't know what lash I wanna do yet. Okay, I'm gonna have to go with House of Lashes in Siren. Where'd my glue? What happened to my lash glue? Girl, what? Oh, it's right here. I'm gonna buy new lashes badly, guys. I need a mascara that's thickening and also lengthening. Oh, no. Oh, what is happening to me today? Of course, I sit down to film a video and my lashes go wrong. Sis, we're gonna have a problem if you don't stay the hell down. Oh! Did you see that snap? Why are you like this? I might have to apply my lashes off camera. Okay, do not stick to each other. Okay, close enough. Now I'm gonna go ahead and do the other eye off camera and I'll be right back. Okay, I'm back with the other eye done. Now we get to finish the rest of the face. Okay, you guys know how I said I was skeptical about this? Well, I might be changing my mind. I don't know, but the more I use it, the more it grows on me. Okay, so I'm highlighting. Sorry, I have a lot of texture on my skin right now because I just got over being sick. You have to highlight at least softly all the places where the light hits, because that's what's really gonna call people's attention. I used to love him. And then you're gonna hit the tip of your nose, bridge of your nose. Oh, I shouldn't have brought that up so far. And your chin. And you wanna look like you're dripping in gold honey. Or whatever highlight shade you prefer. I recently got into doing my bronzer with a dual fiber brush. So here I am. I personally do not like a cool tone contour. I feel like it makes me look ashy because I have golden olive undertones. So ashy colors don't really work for me like that. You know what I mean? If you're afraid of highlighting your texture, I would not do this. Just go with a blush that complements your skin tone. Peachy blushes are great for the season, even though it's raining today. I'm using Luminoso by Milani. And you want to hit the highest point of your apples of your cheeks, and then you want to bring it back into your contour and highlight to like marry it together. And I have an obsession with blush, so I apply a lot, and then I hit the tip of my nose, and I've also been getting whatever excess right here in the bridge of the nose area, and then I hit the bottom of my chin. That's done. You can also pair this look with a nude lip, but I'm going with Arriba. And I'm really excited about this. I just ordered it and it just came in. By the way, I always set my skin right before or right after I finish powdering because it melts everything together. Before I go in with Arriba, I want to contour my lips a little bit with this brown. This is the NYX lip liner in Cappuccino. Okay, now that I have the general shape of my lips going, I'm gonna go right in with the Arriba. By the way, I love her packaging. I love that it's gold instead of silver like the regular ColourPop packaging. Wow. Oh, Karen really did that. This red is popping. Stop. Oh, sorry. I'm so shook that I dropped my mirror. It dries really fast, so you gotta work pretty quickly with it. Sorry. Okay, guys, thank you so much for watching this video. This is the final look. This is a very classic, like, elegant heartbreaker glam using the iluvsarahii and ColourPop lip in Arriba. This red is amazing. I don't really have any kind of discount code, but if you want a link to purchase that, I will leave the link to the iluvsarahii and ColourPop lip collections down below. ColourPop is a very affordable brand. This new ultra matte formula doesn't feel as drying as its previous ultra matte formula. I don't know if the formula was changed for the collection with Karen, but she's a fellow Mexicana, so I'm really excited to support her. I did this entire look sticking to just this one row in the BH Cosmetics Neutrals palette. If you guys would like to see me do other looks with these other 2 specific matte rows, let me know in the description box below. If you guys have any other ideas or anything in particular that you want to see, also let me know down in the comments. I know someone asked me to do an ocean inspired look, so I think that I'm gonna go ahead and dip into some blue eyeshadows next. I might have some photo shoots coming up, which means that I might have some vlogs coming up too, so I'm really excited about that. It took me a while to get back into the groove of things. It's just been really rough. My Twitter followers and people who support me on Twitter have been really supportive, and I'm so happy for that. If you want to become a part of the Twitter squad, I will also leave my Twitter right here somewhere and in the description box below. My social medias are always in the description box. If you enjoyed this look and you want to become a part of the Saba squad, hit that subscribe button down below. Also hit that like button. I don't know where the like button is, but I know that you know, so don't play me and hit it, girl. Alright, best friend, well, that's it for today. Thank you so much for watching, and see you in the next one. Mwah!